Hello again. Today we are going to practice writing some words using magnetic letters. I'm going to call out a word. We're going to listen to the sounds we can hear and do that on our fingers, and then you are going to point to your screen at the letters that we need to spell that word. So the first word we're going to spell is right. So if you use your fingers, what are the phonemes you hear in right? As in, I will be all right. R, I, t. So can you point to the letters we need to spell right? R, I, t. If you need a bit more time, then pause the video. Okay, so to spell right, you should have chosen this one. R, then I. We need 3 letters to make the I sound. We need I, we need G, and we need H. So we've got R, I, and then we need T, R, I, T, right. We're going to change that word. We're going to add an extra letter at the beginning so that it says bright. What can you hear in bright? B, R, I, T. So we're going to have B, R, I, T. Can you find the letter up here that we need to put here to make bright? Well done if you chose this one. Let's sound it out. B, R, I, T. Bright. So I'm going to put all of those letters back where they belong. And then we're going to try another word. So the next word we're going to spell is scar. If you fall down and you hurt yourself, you might find that a little while later you've got a little scar where you fell down. So what can you hear in scar? S, k, r. So can you point to the letters we need to make scar? S, k, r. If you need a little bit more time, then pause the video. So to make scar, we need S first, S, then K, S, K, R. To make R, we need A and R. S, K, R, scar. We're going to change that word to scarf. Tell me what you can hear in scarf. S, K, R, F. So we're going to have S, K, R, F. Can you point to the extra letter that we need on the end to make scarf? If you need a little bit more time, pause the video. So well done if you chose this one. So can we read it together? S, K, R, F, scarf. So let's pop that one back on there. Put all of these back where they belong, and we'll go on to the next word. The next word we're going to write is nail. If you were building something, you might need to use a nail. So what can you hear in nail? Oh, actually, I can see a nail on my thumb as well. N, A, L, nail. Can you point to the letters that we need to spell nail? N, A, L. And if you need a little bit more time, then pause the video. So for nail, we need N, A. Now to make the A sound, we need A and I together. N, A, L. Now because we've got an A sound here, we're just needing one L. N, A, L, nail. And we're going to change that now to snail. Tell me the sounds you hear in snail. S, n, a, l. So we're going to have s, n, a, l. Point to the letter that we need here to make snail. Snail. Well done if you chose this one. Let's read it together. S, n, a, l, snail. Let's put the letters back where they belong and we'll do one more. So get your fingers ready. The word is rain. What can you hear in rain? R, a, n. Can you point to the letters we need to make rain? R, a, n. If you need a little bit more time, then pause the video. So rain, we need r. To make the A sound, we need a, I again. So r, a, n. R, a, n, rain. Now we're going to change it to train. What can you hear in train? T, r, a, n. So we're going to have t, r, a, n. Point to the letter we need to make train. So well done if you chose this one. Let's sound it together. T, r, a, n, train. I shall put all of those back again. So well done. That was some really good spelling today. If you found any of those a little bit tricky, then you might want to watch the video another time and have another go. If you watch it again, you might want to have a little piece of paper and pencil or a board, and you could have a go at spelling the words before I do and then checking them to see if you've got them right. Enjoy!